It's the 1st of April 2026, and for a while now on social media, Enhance have been teasing about a big update today, and it's a software update, as I was expecting. So the app has had an update, and I've just gone into my light strip here, and we can look at what's changed on that. So if we go into the settings, we can see here that there's a firmware update, and it's 6.4.1. And there's two new features. You've got strip edges, where you can define how long the animation is on your LED strip. And we've got a new KITT Knight Rider animation. So let's just update that and let that install. This channel has had over 15 million views, yet only has 40,000 subscribers, whereas it should be 3 to 4 times that, because over 90% of the viewers are not subscribed. Please do, it's completely free, it's only a click for you, and it really does help. So that's now installed. I'm on version 6.4.1 now. So here we have the new segment feature, and you can push the eye there. And it says, choose how the LED strip reacts when your vehicle sends a left or right signal, such as turn signals or blind spot alerts. When choosing half setting, the strip will be divided into 2 equal sections. So that's what we've currently got. And in edge mode, the strip will show the animation only on the outer edges instead of the whole half. So this is something that I've wanted ever since installing the strip. So half is what we had before. So if I put the turn signal on, the whole 50% of the strip is animated. And obviously that side is your default light. And if I turn my right signal on, then you get the whole half of the strip, 50% of the strip animated. So now we've got edge, and you can choose the edge width. So this is 16 as default. So if I put my right signal on, it's just doing that, and then I'll put the left signal on. So that's 16. Let's change that down. So the lowest it goes is 10. That's what 10 looks like. And the highest it goes is 20. So there, that is great. That looks really good actually. But I'm surprised they didn't give you more adjustment than that. I guess that is 10% to 20%. And then half of the strip is obviously 50%. So I'm going to leave it on 20. I think that's about right. But I'm surprised that didn't go all the way up to 50, and that you could then, really adjust what you wanted. So let's have a look at the blind spot and play that. So there we go. That's what the blind spot animation is now like at 20%. And then if I select what it's like when blinker is off, we've now got that. So I don't think they've gone further enough with this. Rather than just having this segment setting on the main screen, it should really be within the individual animations. Because, for example, the turn signals, I would quite like to have it at that 20%, but the blind spot, I might still want the full 50%. And you can't do that. It's either all or nothing. So I think that would have been better, as it's only the 2 animations at the moment, the indicators and blind spot. I would have thought that would be better to incorporate the segments into the individual animations here. But anyway, it's better than nothing. And the other option was the kit mode. So that must be under the welcome, I would imagine. Let's just have a look here. Greeting animation. So here's the new KITT Knight Rider option. And then if I preview the animation there, that's what you get. The Knight Rider red LEDs. So that's going to look better in the night time. It's not great filming this during the day. So there we go. That's the two new features you get on the S3XY Strip as of the update on the 1st of April. So I hope you found that useful. If you have, please do click the thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about the S3XY Strip from Enhance, in the video description below will be a link to other videos I've made. Okie doke, I'll see you on the next one. If you like the video, please do click the thumbs up button, and leaving a comment also helps too. Plus, of course, subscribe if you're not. If the video saved you time or money, a little support via Ko-fi or the Super Thanks button would mean a lot. There's over 1,300 videos on the channel, so have a browse, use the search, and have a look at the playlists. And here's two videos you may want to check out.